Welcome back, YouTube. Hayden here, and in today's video we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, as well as the S&P 500. Now, I didn't make a video yesterday. I was monitoring the markets. I just didn't think it made sense to make a repetitive video, and I'll explain why in a second here. Mainly because, though, these cryptos aren't really seeing much movement from yesterday compared to what we're seeing today. So I wanted to kind of condensed everything into one video for today's episode here. You can see we do have some movement though on XRP, which is nice compared to previous days. You saw we were in a lot of this consolidation on XRP over the past couple of days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're starting to slide lower. We have said pretty much every single day moving forward that XRP could very well correct, like dump to the downside here. Like you can see, we fell into this and we're in an ascending fractal right now, but typically how we enter is usually how we exit. So to expect to see a dump after this is not surprising at all. And you guys should start preparing yourselves for that possibility of that to happen. But we need to cover where we left off now. We're also going to be looking at Solana, which has broken above a bit of a resistance, which is shocking. But I really am not in the mood to be trading Solana just because it's too up in the air, if that makes sense. We're also going to be looking at Ethereum, which looks incredible. Bitcoin looks incredible as well. Stock market looks incredible as well. So, I mean, lots of things to go over in today's video. I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into the technical analysis here, I just want to let you guys know that BitFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel, is offering a way for you guys to earn up to and over $8,000 in free cryptocurrency. That is absolutely insane, all in bonus crypto for you guys to trade around with completely free. What better money to trade around with than somebody else's money? You know, that's what I like to say here. But more info on BitFi later on in today's video. But make sure to sign up ASAP, as it is free down below, and that offer does expire pretty soon. Now, you can see yesterday or 2 days ago, we started making episodes here, basically that the end is near. Start planning right now if you plan on getting involved in the markets. You know, for the most part, these markets have been just consolidating sideways, extremely boring, I know, but sooner than later, we should start to see some movement, and I do believe it's going to be upon us very quickly. You can see I did have Ethereum pulled up here, where for the most part, we were just kind of consolidating in this fractal, and we are pretty much panning this out. You know, we did have a breakout previously on Bitcoin. These other cryptos have been consolidating, and there's pretty much technical indicators across the board here, which is the most exciting part because it gives us ample opportunity to take advantage of like a lot of these cryptocurrencies, if that makes sense. So what I expect to see happen soon is to see some market movements. Now, obviously today is the weekend, Sunday, so we're not usually going to see much movement within that, but typically after the weekend, come Monday, we should start to see that volume, and the markets are kind of experiencing this right now. So you can see we're at 60 on the Fear and Greed Index, which is crazy because like 2 weeks ago we were at 30. Bitcoin dominance is still like 60% of the market here. You can see after the rally from this week, we've kind of flatlined out starting like Friday on pretty much every single major cryptocurrency, like across the board here. So the consolidation is not surprising at all. But now what we're waiting for is really the pump, which could very quickly happen tomorrow, which is what I'm expecting to start to introduce itself back into the market. Like, for example, XRP, we know has some sort of major fractal forming here. It actually looks incredible because of how much of a technical indicator this has formed. You can see clear as day there is an ascending fractal. It is beautifully outlined with an uptrend, with a price ceiling, how it is allowing the prices to slowly move higher. Now, what we're waiting for is to see how they react. Truly, we have this uptrend here, which I'm going to extend out a little bit more, and we have a top resistance. If we close above or below either of these, it will give us that opportunity to long or short. Now, obviously, you guys always come at me like I'm supposed to just know, but I'm going to be as transparent and realistic as I could possibly be for you guys. It's literally how I view the markets are. In my mind, I'm letting it out, out loud. So when you guys are like coming to here for an explanation of a definitive answer which way it's going to go. No person in the world is going to have a definitive answer. And if they are, they're lying to you because there's no way to tell if it's actually going to happen here. I mean, I don't need to go off on a rant here, but, the weather, what is it? The meteorologists that, study weather, that talk about hurricanes and can track it, and they have millions of dollars spent on this equipment, still get it wrong when it comes to hurricanes. Like, just Ian a couple years ago, the hurricane here that was expected to hit Tampa like 6 hours or 10 hours before it made landfall. They're like, oh shit, it's actually going to hit Fort Myers where we were. So everybody can be wrong about that. That's just my point. So instead of saying, oh yeah, guys, we're going to dump, I'd rather give you both options. Yeah, there's a good chance there's more of a 70% lean towards a dump than there is towards a rally, but I want you guys to understand that with me as I make these videos here. So there is a huge chance that we could still dump. Huge. I mean, more so riding on a correction than a rally across the board with XRP specifically. Now, when that does happen, we'll take advantage of it on BitFi because BitFi is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use. You can see if I jump to the 4-hour, we've been tracking BitFi already. This is a couple of days ago here. We're going to have to tweak these charts just a hair to kind of include it. Where are we? Here we go. Thank you. Let's move you up. Let's move you out. And you can see there's been a ton of progress, but nothing that has skewed our original idea of how this market is going to move to. When we see this break, you can see we're currently retesting that 99-day moving average. If we close 4-hour below here, it is going to dump, and it could come as early as today or tomorrow, realistically here, or we break through that and we rally out. When the decision is made, we will take advantage of it on BitFi because BitFi is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Every single thing you'd want on an exchange is offered on BitFi. The best part about it, Reward Center. Demo trading account. You can see they're new here. You can get new user benefits over $8,100 by literally completing simple things here. Deposit bonuses, tons of other opportunities here. They have a way for you to earn up to another $100 as a new user incentive. They have daily benefits here for those that want to just sign up. You can see, daily bonus, all these things that change every day. They have limited rewards. You can claim rewards here. Tons of things, literally tons of things here, which you can convert with points. Then they have exclusive benefits on top of that here. Perpetual agreements, so on and so forth. All these things that you could take advantage of if you haven't already, or you've already been a member of BitFi for a long time now. You can still take advantage of these, which is cool. Some of them expire, a lot of them don't. They also have a demo trading account, 50 grand in demo money for you guys to practice your skills, practice XRP trading, practice, leverage trading, learn the exchange. Then when you're ready, you click live trading account, you bring up to here, and you can use for XR or for Bitcoin, unfortunately. The other cryptos, you're not going to be able to use bonus money. But for Bitcoin, you can use your bonus wallet and you can leverage trade these cryptocurrencies. Now, you can, with real money, so I recommend practicing on Bitcoin first, but they give you up to my $130 that I've accumulated from bonus money, gives me up to $2,600 in trading. That's insane. So definitely make sure to check that out down in the description below. But moving forward from that, I don't really want to focus on Solana because Solana's kind of veering out higher than I kind of wanted to, or that we were expecting. And maybe I'm just not seeing a graph here correctly. Maybe there's something like this that's skewing this. Wow, that actually looks a lot better here. And we'll skew this higher and pull this down. Maybe there's something like this forming 1, 2, 3, 4 points of contact and uptrend here, that maybe this is a newer indicator that we can watch and see how that pans out. But ideally, I'm not a huge fan of Solana's technicals right now. But this one is a bit promising. Let me know what you guys think. Ethereum looks incredible. I mean, if there was ever a crypto to form a beautiful textbook indicator, it's Ethereum right now, which is insane. 3 points of contact, 4 points of contact on support and resistance. Expect to see a dump, tons of resistance here. Moving average, downtrend, price ceiling, tons of things incentivizing Ethereum to correct. Same thing with XRP, same thing with Solana here, same thing with Bitcoin. So the markets are due for a dump, and the same exact thing for stock market. So I am very bearish right now, short term on the market, but feel free to let me know down in the comments what you think. Otherwise, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.